Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch this video. Y'all, today we're gonna get into a Coach unboxing that I've had for about a week or so. This was a Dillard's sale that they had, and I was really excited when I saw it. Now, I got this bag in the Empire, I believe it was the Empire 28 back months ago in this olive green suede, and I just wasn't happy with it because I was really thinking it was gonna be a prettier green. So this is gonna be the Brooklyn by Coach, and it's the 39 centimeters, so it's a really big bag, but it's in that olive green suede again. So we're gonna see how the bag is, and I'm gonna see if I like it in this particular bag. So I'm hoping that I do, but it was a steal at $175 at Dillard's. It's normally $495 retail on the Coach website. So I was like, oh my God, this is a steal on this deal. Gotta go ahead and get it. I actually went down to the Dillard's store locally here in Mobile, Alabama to see about seeing if they had the bag and just lay my hands on it, see if I liked it. So I looked around in Dillard's. They had one bag, y'all, and it was on display in their little cabinet there. And I asked the sales girl, hey, it's on sale on the website for this amount. And I have been looking at it for like 2 days. And of course, I'm telling y'all, this is my luck, y'all. Standing in the store, I go to look because I was gonna see if they would price match it, which I found out later that Coach does not price match even their own website. Yes, they do not price match their own website. Can y'all believe that? I was just completely shocked about that too, but they don't, and it's really weird. Like they make their own prices in Dillard's. On the store and the website, if you're in the store, that particular store can make their own prices and set whatever they want. Has nothing to do with Dillards.com. So, but I told the girl, I said, look, it's on sale on the Dillards.com website. So why can't I just get this bag here for the sale price? It's your last one you have, and it's just gonna sit here. So she was like, well, I can see, and it was ringing up like, I don't know, 3 something. And I said, well, I'm not gonna do that. So I guess it'll just sit there. So I left. And then I waited like 2 days later, checked back on the Dillard's website. Now, he had gone out of stock is why it was like gone. Like that day in the store, it was just gone off the website, completely gone, because it went out of stock, sold out. But then I waited 2 days later, back in stock, same price, $175. So I was like, snatch it up. It's a non-returnable item, so if I don't like it, I'll probably sell it to somebody. So if you enjoy this bag and I don't like it particularly, y'all follow me on Instagram for that information if you haven't already. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images on Instagram of stuff that I review, and I post information on Instagram as well, and sometimes sell bags. For everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, discount codes, shopping links, and you can also shop my personal Depop closet as well there. So with all that out of the way, if everybody could just take one moment, stop and give this video a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. Y'all, let's get into the unboxing of this Coach Brooklyn 39 in the olive green suede. It came from FedEx a few days ago. It's been like a week or so ago, and I've been wanting to unbox it, but I've been kind of busy reorganizing my bag room. I got some new shelving and stuff that I'll put a picture up that I really like from IKEA. I love IKEA's shelves, so I had to get a little bit more. I'm running out of room, y'all. But I have sold a few bags, so I do have a little more space in my room, my bag room here. So, but this is the box that came in here, and it's a FedEx special, nice hole in the middle, but the rest of the box is kind of intact. It's just kind of, typical of FedEx's packaging. We're used to it by now, right? So yeah, the top of it is just kind of, but let's open it up here and see what we've got here, and hopefully it's gonna be good. And hopefully I'm gonna like the olive green color in this particular bag. The Empire that I got, the 28 that I got back from Dillard's a while back that I reviewed, I had to send it back, y'all. I just was not feeling it. And olive green to me, it was more like a grayish color, but let's see what this one's gonna be like. I don't know what to expect since this came from Dillard's and it was like a clearance item, so it may not be in the original packaging, but let's see here together, because I do see it down in a dust bag, so obviously it has already been unwrapped from the factory packaging. So let's get all this wrapping out of here and let's see what we've got here. So here it is, and it's in this dust bag. So that tells me probably no factory wrapping, and that's okay. It was a clearance item, like I said, but it is non-returnable. So if I do decide I don't like it, I will probably sell it, and just check out my Instagram and keep posted there, and we'll see. But I'm hoping I like it because I've been wanting this size Brooklyn I just like a big bag, and I'm a big guy, so I need something a little bit bigger, and I think I'm gonna like this one, so I'm hoping it is good. Let's take it out of the dust bag. Y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. Just a damn dust bag, y'all. We get rid of those. All right, y'all, here it is. There is the Brooklyn, and it's in that suede, that olive green suede. Let's do a 360 spin of it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you some close-ups. Here is the front side of it, and let's just do a little quick spin here. There is the side of it, the back side, and the other side. And then let me show you the bottom. There is the very bottom of it, and of course it has a strap on top that's really long in that suede color. So that is a 360 spin of the bag. Let me get everything out of it and all of the packaging, and I'll come back and we'll go over some details of it. The color of it, I think I could probably live with the color of it. I'm just not really sure yet. I'm gonna try it on and we'll see what it looks like in a minute. All right, y'all, I managed to get all of the stuffing and wrapping and everything off of the coverings of the hardware and everything on this bag. So let me go up and I'll show you some closer details on it. So this is the front side of it. Let's go in a little closer and you can see up close, this is the logo here of the Coach logo on the front there. It's got really nice stitching on it, and the suede color is that olive green color. I'm not real sure if I'm just not a big fan of suede. It does show markings and everything really good on it, but I don't know, it's just soft, and I think it's really comfortable to wear. It has the stitching on the side here, and this piece here has got a little bit of structure to it, so that's the part that actually holds the shape of this bag. But otherwise, there's the back side of it. It's just kind of a slouchy bag, and I'm okay with that. It is a hobo bag. Now the back side of it here, you do have a rivet in the middle, and that's where your button is gonna be that goes on the inside pocket, and it has Coach on it. But I'm honestly thinking I'm probably gonna keep this bag. I call this a throw and go bag, so you can pretty much throw everything in it because it's just basically one big hole. You just throw your stuff in there. I'll show you the inside in a minute. Let me go over the bottom a little closer. There is the bottom side of it, and it's just flat on the bottom, no feet or anything like that. All right, and then you do have your Coach tag on the opposite side here in suede, and it's got gold hardware on it, and there's your little suede hang tag. And then it's got a D-ring on the side there to hang it from. So you can hang a bag charm or something from that as well. So that's it. I do like the slouchiness of it. All right, y'all, let me attempt to show y'all the inside of this bag. It may be kind of tricky because of the strap, but let's see if we can get into it. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, so on the inside here, you do have another D-ring on the opposite side. It's basically right on the opposite side of the other one, and you can hang some stuff inside there, so that's nice. This is the structured part there on the strap. And then on the other side, it's just nothing on the other one. It's just that little structured area. Then down on the inside here, you do have a closure piece here. There's the little closure piece on there. It's just a little magnetic button, and the other side has a little rivet there that you can close together, and they magnetize together. Now the interior on the bag is a leather. This is a really nice soft leather on the inside here. And then you have a slip pocket here in the back side of it there, and it has a little rivet on the front of it. That's a little button, and it says Coach on it in that gold color there, if you can see that. Very hard to get inside this bag. Let me see if I can show you all the Creed patch. The Creed is just on the leather here. Let me just pull it out there, see if you can see that. So there's your Creed patch there. It's kind of hard to show y'all, and I'm sorry because it's very hard to get inside this bag. I would have to literally turn this bag inside out for y'all to see it, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to damage the bag. But the leather on the inside is very nice, and it's a supple, soft leather. And I'll probably just wind up keeping this bag, y'all, because it's, like I said, like a throw and go bag. You just throw all your stuff in it, throw it over your shoulder, and you're out the door. So I love those kind of bags. Let's try the bag on and just see what it looks like, and maybe I'll like it. All right, y'all, let's see how this bag looks on. Here it is. You can see the size of it. I am 6'2", so you can see what the 39 centimeter looks like against me. All right, and let's put it over the shoulder here and see what it feels like. There's what it looks like on me. So it has a really nice shoulder drop on it. So that's a good drop for me. And I like the slouch of it and the softness of it. So it's very comfortable over your shoulder. So a minimal bag as far as the silhouette from the side. So I like that. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments on this bag. Is it me? Does it fit me? Should I sell it? I don't know. What do y'all think? All right, so there it is. And I like the slouch of it, y'all. But like I said, maybe I just don't like suede. It's like my second or third bag. I do have a Rowan in suede, and I don't ever go to it much, but I don't know. Maybe it's just more of a winter bag, so maybe I'll keep it and use it more in the winter time. But what do y'all think about this bag? What do y'all think about the olive green color? So maybe I just need to get it in the leather color, but it was such a great deal at Dillard's, I just couldn't pass this up, and I was glad I was able to actually get it after they, you know, told me that it was basically sold out, and it was for a minute, but it is sold out on Dillard's now, so it's back to $4.95 on the Coach website as of today. So, but I think I got a great deal on it at Dillard's, even though I had to, you know, wait and then reorder it on the website when it came back in stock. But I like it. I think I may keep it. I'm just not really sure about it yet, but we'll see. The suede, you know, everything does kind of stick to it a little bit more, and you really have to be delicate with the suede. That's the only thing about the suede bags, but it's nice, it's different, and I'm happy that I got such a steal on it. All right, y'all, so that is the Coach Brooklyn 39 in the olive green suede. There's the color of it. You can see it a little bit better in this lighting here. All right, so there it is. Let me show you what it looks like on one more time on my shoulder, and really that's the only way to wear the bag, so. But that's it. All right, y'all, so that is the Coach Brooklyn 39 in this olive green suede color. I hope I gave you enough information on this bag and reviewed it good for you. I'm so sorry it was hard to get on the interior of this bag, but it was very difficult, so I tried to show you as best I can. Thank you so much for watching this review. I appreciate it. I'm really happy that I was able to get this great deal on this Coach bag from Dillard's. Y'all do check out Dillard's from time to time, and you can find some great stuff on there. They do have sales pretty often. But I do hate their policies as far as in-store and the website, and they won't do price matching and things like that. It's kind of difficult, but what's not difficult these days? All right, y'all, thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you'll give my video a like, I do appreciate that. I'll see everybody on my next video review. Now, if you're interested in buying this bag, I may sell it. I'm not for sure yet, but do follow me on Instagram for that information. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.